And a big breaking news is coming in now. Anil Deshmukh gets bail in the ED case. Now, Anil Deshmukh has been granted bail. The Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, who was allegedly involved in the money laundering case, has been granted bail. He was in police custody and now he has been granted bail in the money laundering case. So I have with me Mahesh Tapase, who is an NCP leader. Welcome to the broadcast, Mahesh sir. Okay, so sir, this bail has been granted to the former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh in the money laundering case. This is the reason that we are hearing. So what can we expect after this?
I can only we have been saying that the allegations leveled against former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh ji are baseless. There is crores. It is just originated out of the whims and fancies of the person who has made such an accusation. The entire prosecution has been trying hard to establish the trail of 100 crores, but nowhere they could establish any trail to that tune, and whatever discrepancy in the accounts was found, that was merely to 1 crore rupees. But in this entire 1 year of time, last Diwali only he had surrendered before the court, before the investigating agency. In the last entire year, he and his family and the NCP have really suffered a lot of emotional trauma has been inflicted on Anil Deshmukh and his entire family. For no reason, he has suffered 1 year imprisonment. But eventually, truth will prevail. This is what we have been saying from the beginning. And in this case, we are happy that the Honorable Judge has passed and bail order in favor of Anil Deshmukh ji.
Right, sir. But the opposition, as well as there were corruption, people were alleging that he is involved in the corruption. He has been funding money and he has been involved in the money laundering for a very long time. So what do you feel? Are these, as you said, that NCP suffered a lot throughout the year. So you think that you actually claim that these allegations were wrong?
Absolutely, they are wrong. Nothing, the prosecution could not prove anything. The case will be still pending till a final closure to the case comes. But it is very easy to malign a person's image in the eyes of the public. But nevertheless, no incriminating evidences could be brought up by the investigating agency. Although we have a lot of respect for the investigating agency, whether it is the Enforcement Directorate or the CBI or the income tax, we have a lot of respect for them. But here the entire episode seems to have been politically motivated, and BJP has been on the forefront to first make an allegation, first announce a date that on such and such date XYZ will be taken by the investigating agency, and this is what has been happening. So we see a political hand more than the hand of administration in nailing Anil Deshmukh ji.
Right, Mr. Tapse. Thank you for sharing your 2 cents on this. And now I also have with me Sachin Sawant, who is a Congress leader. And Sachin sir, welcome to the broadcast. So now Anil Deshmukh has been granted bail in the money laundering case. While it's a big breather for both Anil Deshmukh and NCP, what do you feel about it? Were the allegations that were made against Anil Deshmukh, former Maharashtra Home Minister, were they wrong? What are your 2 cents on that? I have with me Sachin Sawant, Congress leader, with me on this broadcast. Welcome to the broadcast, sir. Sir, my question to you is, it's a big breather for both NCP and Anil Deshmukh at the same time, who was in the judicial custody for a long time. We are facing some disruption with Mahesh Sawant, but moving on, I have with me Manisha Kainde, who is a Shiv Sena leader. Welcome to the broadcast. my question to you is that it's a big breather for NCP and Anil Deshmukh at the same time. But allegations were made against the former Maharashtra Home Minister that he was involved in corruption case. For a very long time, there were debates going on over this. So now that he has been given a bail on this, what do you think? What are your 2 cents on this, ma'am?
Well, these allegations were made by Paramjit Singh, who himself was absconding, and then he got relief from Supreme Court that he should not be arrested. So I think this was some very big thing, that the one who was accusing himself was absconding. And I don't know, see, whether the money laundering is proved or not, but he was in custody for a long time. And I think even the Supreme Court then rapped the High Court that why the bail application is not being heard. So whether the charges, if the charges are proved and he's proved guilty, then we can understand. But nothing was happening, and the person is just being kept in custody. And the thing is that he did not succumb to the pressures of ED and the central government. So I think this is something to be noted, that he did not succumb to the pressure tactics of the central government. And okay, he has got bail. The court must have realized or come to a conclusion that the person need not be kept in custody for a long time.
Right. Thank you, ma'am. So that was from Manisha Kande and from the NCP leader Sachin Sawant and Mahesh Tapse, pardon me, and they both say that it's a big breather, big relief for Anil Deshmukh and the party. They both say that they were wrong allegation that he was charged with, and now this is the big breaking that Anil Deshmukh has gotten plea in the money laundering case.